Tell him to give you the comb.
Daddy, the comb.
Is he comfy?
Daddy, the comb.
Ask him if he's comfy.
You comfy, Dad. You comfy. You're comfy. You're comfy.
What's he doing?
He's sleeping.
Is he sleeping? Tell him to wake up. Tell him it's time to get up. Cameron, tell DJ it's time to get up. Come wake him up. Tell him it's time to wake up. Where'd you go, Cameron? Then get your butt out of bed.
Get your butt out of your bed. Get your butt out of bed. Get your butt out of bed.
Tell him it's time to go to school.
I can't go.
What is it, Cameron?
By feet.
You covering him up? Ask him if he's comfy. Cameron, tell him it's time to get up for school. Tell him get up.
It's not gonna wake up. Lay down.
Dang, Bossy Betty.
Lay down. Lay down.
You are bossy. Cameron. Cameron, what are you doing?
I wanna lay down.
You want to lay down?
Can we stop? Oh, DJ.
Tell DJ to cover you up. Say thank you, DJ.
Thank you, DJ.
DJ, say hi to the camera. DJ's ignoring the camera. Cameron! Cameron, tell May to go upstairs.
I'm upstairs.
Cameron, how old are you?
2.
When's your birthday?
And 2.
June what?
4.
And what's your address?
Ready, Charlie.
Where do you live, Cameron?
Ready. Lay down. Say to wake up.
You just told him to lay down, then you told him it's time to wake up. You guys are silly. Say good night, DJ.
Bye-bye. It's time to go. Lay down.
Cameron, you bossy Betty.
I told you. Sit up.
You covered him.
Stop, DJ.
You're funny. Tell him good night. Give him a kiss good night.
Good night. Don't do this.
What are you guys doing, you weirdos? Cameron,
I know you did.
tell him he's a weirdo. Tell him he's a weirdo. Tell him he's a weirdo.
You're a weirdo. He's a weirdo.
Cammy, who's a weirdo?
He's a